Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to how to use TikTok live streaming. So to do that, let me show you. Head over to your TikTok. Once you are there, just tap on your profile and go to the plus icon right here. And here, if you can't find the live option in here, just beside AI shelf, or post or templates, then it means going live is not available or enabled in your region. So let me show you if it is enabled, how you can do it. So launch your TikTok app and tap the plus sign at the bottom center of the screen and tap the live button. If you don't see it right away, swipe left until you see it. Pick an image for your stream, give it a title and select a topic. These details will be what makes people decide to watch, so make sure they're interesting and enticing. Change any settings before you go live, and such as assigning moderators or activating live gifts. And when you're ready to start live streaming, tap the big go live button at the bottom of the screen. And to show like this, the app counts down from 3 and then you are live. While you are on live TikTok, you can change interaction settings like launching a poll for viewers, adding music and stickers, flipping your camera and more. So yeah, this is how you can just use live on TikTok. Hope this video helps. If you found any problem, just comment it down below. We will reach you out.